Hello and greetings to all. There is generally a lot of confusion regarding classification of expenses in IFRS. We are going to talk about this issue in this video today. Now, the standard IAS 1, that is presentation of financial statements, prescribes no mandatory format or any specific instructions regarding the mode of expense classification. And this is also because of the reason and the fact that every single entity is different and unique and has a different expense group and a structure to achieve their revenues. And therefore, as per IAS 1, the presentation of expenses in the profit and loss needs to be done in such a way which provides reliable and relevant information. IAS 1 basically suggests two different formats. One, classification of expense according to nature, and other, classification of expense according to function. Now let's understand each one of them. Classification of expense by nature means that the expenses are grouped according to their nature rather than the very role played by them in the company. For example, expense for raw materials, expense for transportation cost, depreciation expenses, compensation expenses, so on and so forth. Now, this approach is considered to be very simple because we don't have to worry much about the allocations. Now, the question is that which type of classification to use and which is best. IAS 1 does not anywhere recommend any particular approach to be adopted. It is just a suggestion by it. But what we need to remember is that we cannot present an expenditure as nature in one year and as function in the other. That means I cannot classify an expenditure as cost of sales in one year and as a personnel expense in the other. In other words, once a particular approach is adopted, then it needs to be consistent from one year to the other, from one period to the other. Now, that doesn't mean that the change of the approach is not possible. We can change if we need to change, and that is possible when we feel that the reclassification would give us more better information. And in case we are changing the presentation, then remember that we need to reclassify it with respect to comparative information also. Now, what does that mean? That means that if you need to change the approach from nature to functional or functional to nature, then it needs to be classified with respect to its previous reporting periods also, so as to make comparison more feasible and possible. Hope now this confusion is clear amongst all of you whether we need to classify the expense on the basis of nature or on the basis of function, and which is considered to be more important. Who am I? I'm Dr. Jasmine Kaur, founder of theshads.com, an online IFRS training platform, and it is a platform wherein we ensure that our students get an exceptional learning experience and become IFRS certified professionals in the shortest possible period of time. Do let me know what are the various issues that are hampering or what are there in your mind with respect to IFRS, and I'm there to solve it for you. Till the next video, keep smiling and stay blessed.